guys, I'm here at the Three Crazy Kids and we're going to do blind boxes. We have the Ugly Pet Shop blind box, we have Shopkins blind boxes, and we have SpongeBob SquarePants. Here's the SpongeBob one. Here's the Shopkins. And there's the Ugly Pet Shop. Okay, who's going to go first?
Me!
Okay, Paxton's already got his halfway open, so go ahead. What do you got in there? Oh, SpongeBob, and it comes with...
And it comes with other pieces.
Where's the other pieces at?
Right there. Whoa! It comes with a rainbow. It comes with a rainbow.
Got his arms.
Yeah. Oh, it comes with a rainbow.
Okay, let's see what the other one is.
Stop! What is it?
Okay. You do it. Okay, it's in your blind box.
I got it open and I got it now.
Ooh, I'm so excited to see what it is. Hopefully it's not a duplicate. Wah wah.
Oh, I gotta see what is it.
Mr. Crab!
Mr. Crab!
And he's a Lego guy. We gotta put him together.
I gotta put him.
I'll put him together while you open your other one. How about that?
Yeah.
I don't think this is Mr. Crab. What's the thing say?
Mr. Crab.
He's like a bodybuilder, Mr. Crab.
Hey.
He's rare. He is a rare guy.
Open it, Dad.
Who is it?
It's Sandy.
Squidward.
Squidward.
No duplicates for you.
You can't do that.
Okay, Payson, let's do yours.
Okay.
I'll put his together while you're doing yours.
How do you do it, Mom? I can't open it.
Use your nails.
Okay.
I can help you if you need me to.
Ooh. Is this coming? You already missed it. What is it, Mr. Crab?
Oh, pants go on first.
Let's do this, Mom. Ooh.
Yeah. Let's not use our teeth. I will open it for you. You're not using
Whoa.
teeth. You'll be going to trip to the dentist if you keep using your teeth.
Stop, Mom. Wait. Who is that? Who's that? Who is that? Oh.
Now you can go ahead and open yours because she's opening hers.
Mine's where did these go? Where did these go?
Now, Shopkins are cool because they come with those little cute little baskets.
Oh, they're cute.
These are cute.
I need something to cut it.
We'll get some safety scissors here.
Yay.
What do you get, Maddox?
I'm just opening it.
And some safety scissors for you. Get all these papers out of the way. You're welcome.
Whoa!
What is he?
I
You come
got.
with the paper, tells you what he is?
Yes. I got. Okay, I got two. I'll show you guys right now. Mom, where's my gun? TV.
Squidward, put him together here.
What do you wanted? Mom.
Who is it? TV? Show the camera. Show them on TV what you got.
A TV. Let me look it up, what it is.
I think you lost it, some of your guys.
Oh,
What did you get, Maddox?
I got this puppy that I'm trying to work on to get out.
They have
And
names?
I got this puppy, yeah. I will work on that right now. TV. Somewhere. Let's look on the back. TV, it's right there, right there. What is it? SpongeBob. What is it, Maddie? Teeny TV.
Look, Teeny TV.
So let's open another one.
Teeny TV. Oh, these Squidward arms are really hard to get in here.
He's funny. He's funny.
This one arm in.
Okay, he's finally got it open. Here's mine. Get it. Ooh.
What is? Does that have a name?
Yeah, I'm looking that up right now.
This is pretty.
This one is squishy.
Oh, I don't have a duplicate.
This is squishy, and this is.
What is that one?
This is
It's
like rubberish.
It is a book.
Oh, what is it? It's a cake. I'm so lucky. I think I can't
I don't see a cake on here. Let's see this.
on the back. It's green.
This one is a not so Great Dane.
Oh, isn't Great Dane your favorite type of dog?
Yes.
Mommy.
This is a not so Great Dane.
Oh,
Not so Great Dane.
telephone! Not so Great Dane.
And
I don't think they're very ugly to you. I think they're kind of cute. Oh, this is called Nilla Slice.
Mommy, we got
this
these.
one
Squivers for
is-
these, I think you forgot these, Mom. I
Darn.
think Squivers forgot these, Mom. Okay, I have this. Squivers forgot these. It's right there, wasn't it?
guys, I can't find them.
Banana.
I love them.
I can get it. I can't find it.
Come on. Squivers have that. Look at this. It comes with these.
Oh, here we go. Okay.
I don't see anyone, guys.
I found it.
You have a lost puppy?
Does this go on here?
I
Yeah.
think it's the worried Whippet?
I think.
Whippet or something?
Lily, Whippet? Oh, yeah, it does kind of look like a Whippet dog.
A worried Whippet dog.
Squidward.
Where's Squivers
And
going?
no going on mine.
So there is the Squidward after he's all put together.
Squidward. Scissors.
No, you need to use them.
When she's done, you can have them.
Oh, we got these. I think these go. Who is it? There. There's a Squidward. Mom, it's a baby. Mom. There's. Ha!
Oh, who's that? Barry.
What's
Look
her
on
name?
his paper. She is, Asbury Raspberry.
Whoa, guys. Look at this.
I'm gonna show Squidward.
Who'd you get?
Whoa. I have to look at the names. And I also got this. It looks like another Great Dane.
Is it a duplicate?
No. This is like more squishier than this one.
Oh.
If you see,
Well, look up his name.
the grass
Behind
ones.
you. Look up his name.
A blue? I'm getting new ones.
What's that
Oh, guys,
See the
this
paper.
one, sorry about that. This one is a ugly,
one? What? Ugly?
Okay, look, right there. Whatever that name is.
But ugly bull terrier.
Oh, I
What is it? Snug Ugg. Ooh, Uggs, mommy's favorite type of boots.
found it. This is my favorite. Mom, I never had this. I never had
Little
this.
TV.
I never had this.
Okay, let's line up all your guys here so we can see what all you got in your blind boxes today.
Let me send this one.
This one, guys, is
This one doesn't have a
the
lock. I'll put it right there.
cheesy Chihuahua. Or,
Squidward doesn't want to sit
Yeah.
still.
this is
Put it right there.
cheesy something.
Don't
What
touch
is
no
this?
little picture.
Cheesy something.
I don't know what they look like.
This.
Look on this page.
Yeah.
It looks like a chihuahua.
The cheesy
Chinchilla.
Cheesy chinchilla.
That's a
Hey,
chinchilla
I
dog.
need this.
Okay, let's
There
line
you
them up and
go.
take a close-up
There
picture.
you
What
go,
all you got?
Mom. No, there we go.
And this one right here, guys. That is.
There is Paxton's.
That is.
SpongeBob. SpongeBob, Crab, and Squidward.
Mom, this is not Mr. Crab.
Well, I don't think he is Mrs. Crab. That's what the
Yeah,
paper said.
It is. It is Mr.
Here's
Crab.
Payson's,
It is.
Shopkins.
It is Mr. Crab. It is Mr. Crab.
Shopkins.
I never had that and that and that.
And there is Maddox's.
Well, half of mine.
Half of them.
I have one more to go.
Ugly Pet Shop, and he still has one more to go he's working on. Oh, you get 2 in a container.
Yeah. Can I have the safety scissors, please?
Sure. Yeah, Mom, give me scissors.
What about that?
Mom, I told you. I never have that. Get the mystery mini. And the TV. What are you watching? TV. What are you watching?
What are you watching? TV on Shopkins TV. Watching TV.
Mom,
on
I
Shopkins.
never got these. Thank you, Mom.
You're
I want
welcome.
a
No
new one.
duplicates.
I know, but this is not a duplicate. I had this before.
You had it before it was a duplicate.
Mom,
Oh, not
I'm
today. It's not a duplicate, but you had it.
Mom, it was purple, so
I got this.
Mommy, I never had these.
Got for you.
Did I have this package? Mom, where's the other one? We lost it.
That's another cheesy chinchilla. You got
This
2
is
cheesy chinchillas. You got a green one and then you got a gray one. 2 cheesy chinchillas. What's the other dog?
I don't think it's a dog. It's a frog.
Oh,
I want to feel one.
the slimiest funky frog.
Slimiest funky
Can
frog.
I feel it?
I kind of like the.
I want to feel it.
Oh, and you can also get surprise poop in there too if you get it. But we didn't get any surprise poop, did we? We get any surprise poop?
No.
Ew.
These are the kind of animals I like.
Mom, I want
Nice
to feel
and rubbery.
some.
They're rubbery. Feel them. That one's not. This one's real. That one you got there is real rubbery.
Let me see what I got in
This
mine.
one's really low. You gonna give him another close-up?
All right, that's our surprise bag videos today. Stay tuned for more and please subscribe to our channel. Say bye.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.